Today I'm going to show you how to change your chrome housing in your Ford Fiesta from silver to black. Here you have the results already on one side, which is the fully blacked out housing. You have the same white LED strip on the bottom, the orange blinker in the front, which you can barely see, and the normal lamps in the center. Okay, first step, open the hood of the car. It's on the left bottom side. Then you find the yellow switch on the bottom, which opens the hood, and open the hood fully. Put the strut there so it doesn't fall down, and there's the engine bay. So in order to remove the headlights, you're gonna get rid of this one, this screw right here, this one, and there should be two here, which we removed one and we didn't have the clip for this one. So that's all about it. Alright, so next up we're gonna remove the headlight by itself, which you need to lift the front of the bumper up a little bit, wiggle the headlight a little, which makes you give a lot of space like this. And then on the inside you have the connector. Let me show it to you. Gonna pull the clip and drag it back. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna heat up the outside of the glass, the plastic glass. We're gonna heat it up so the coat which is between it is gonna go really soft, which you can break off already. And after that we're gonna pry it open with a flat screwdriver, and the glass will almost immediately pop off. Alright then, so as you guys can see, it took a little while. We also made the video in a hyperlapse because we knew it would take a couple of minutes. There's still a lot of caulk inside which we need to clean off. The second headlight we did yesterday went a little bit easier, so there might be difference in the one and the other. So all the caulk is going to need to scrape out, so you can put the new one in and it will seal a lot better. First we're going to take all the chrome bits out of the headlight unit itself, which are stuck with a couple tiny screws here, there and in the back. So we're going to screw them loose now. Right, so spray painting, I'm gonna use this Motive removable coating, black color of course. To make the process go a little bit faster, I'm gonna use the heat gun after I've done my whole round, so it dries faster. I'm gonna do about 5 layers and then it should be good. We're gonna reassemble the whole headlight unit, and then we're gonna fit the plexiglass cover with the new coat. So the whole headlight unit is now connected, it's all in one place. Last couple of things we gotta do is put the sealant all around the edge. It's gonna be in here all around. And then put the plexiglass cover on it.
we have put the sealant in all around the headlight. We pressed it all together. It's a bit compressed with duct tape right now, so the sealant can do its magical job. And the last step we're gonna do is put the headlight back in when the sealant is dry, and then we're all done. And then I'll show you the result.